Hi, this is Rochelle Roesler, Century 21. New listing alert. Check out this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, double detached garage with a heated shop area. Ready for new owners. Give me a call, 218-979-1722.
This move-in ready home is situated on a desirable corner lot, offering plenty of curb appeal and outdoor space. One of the standout features is the oversized double garage, complete with a heated and finished workshop, perfect for projects, hobbies, or extra storage. Inside, the bright and spacious living room is designed for comfort, with natural light pouring in to create a warm and inviting space. The kitchen features ample counter space and a thoughtful layout, perfect for home cooks and family gatherings. With 4 comfortable bedrooms, there's plenty of space for rest, relaxation, and your family's needs. The expansive yard provides ample space for outdoor activities, gardening, or simply enjoying the outdoors with family and friends. Explore the layout with our detailed floor plan and get a closer look at the home through our 3D virtual tour. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact Rochelle Roesler today to schedule your private tour and make this home yours.
Of Rochelle Roesler. Call 218-979-1722 at Century 21 FM Realty today for a partnership built on trust and excellence.